I'm talking through how to do a self-assessment tax return. Hopefully you'll have seen the video yesterday and you'll realise that you now need to file a tax return. So these are the steps that you now need to follow. The first thing you need to do is you need to register for self-assessment. You have to register with HMRC for self-assessment by the 5th of October in your business's second tax year. HMRC might fine you if you don't register by this deadline, so don't delay. To register for self-assessment, you'll need to visit the government.uk registration page and submit your details. Registering for self-assessments should then give you a Government Gateway user ID, which you can then use to set up your personal tax account. When you log in, you can manage different elements of your tax affairs online through the Government Gateway. Once you're registered for self-assessment, you'll then be able to file your tax return online or on paper. But remember, HMRC are eventually phasing out paper tax returns under Making Tax Digital Initiative. So the next thing you need to do is gather your tax information. For the self-employed, the key information is likely to be your income and expenditure details. So you should have all your invoices and receipts to hand. There are costs you can deduct from your turnover to work out your total taxable profit. You can claim for things like the office, travel, marketing, business insurance, as long as they're solely for their business. It's really important to keep good records throughout the year so you don't come unstuck when you do your tax return. If HMRC checks your return after you filed, they may ask to see the documents, and you'll have to keep your records for 5 years after the 31st of January deadline. So you're likely to need your employment income, if you're employed, dividends, partnership income, interest, rental income, foreign income, pension contributions, gift aid donations, pension income, payment on account, redundancy lump sum or unemployment benefit, P11D, and capital gains. And if you need things like third-party information, so things like banks and building society interest certificates, make sure you have them in enough time. You'll also need what's called your UTR, which is your unique tax reference number, and you'll get that when you register for self-assessment. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about actually filling in the tax return. If you want to get in touch, please do. My name's Susan Crichton. The firm is SJC+0 Accountants. Thank you for listening. Bye.